Today, I am replacing a 1-DIN Sony receiver with a Pioneer unit that includes a microphone for hands-free calling. This is a clean, straightforward installation. No cutting wires, no guesswork. Just careful removal and proper wiring. First, I remove the dashboard trim panel. Always work slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips. Most modern dashboards are secured with pressure clips rather than screws. Gentle pressure is enough. The Sony receiver is secured with mounting screws. After removing them, I carefully slide the unit forward. Behind it are the wiring harness and antenna cable. This system is not wired directly to the speakers. Instead, the head unit sends a low-level RCA signal to a Clarion EQ746 equalizer. From the equalizer, the signal goes to an external amplifier and finally to the speakers. This configuration provides better sound control and cleaner amplification. The black wire is chassis ground. It connects to the vehicle's metal body. This completes the electrical circuit. A solid ground is critical to prevent alternator whine and signal noise, especially in amplified systems. The yellow wire supplies constant 12 volts directly from the battery. It preserves memory functions such as radio presets, clock settings, and EQ and adjustments. The red wire is the ignition switched 12-volt supply. It turns the head unit on and off with the key. The blue or blue-white wire is the remote turn-on lead. This wire sends a 12-volt signal when the head unit powers on. It activates the Clarion equalizer and the amplifier. Without this connection, the amplifier will not turn on. The wiring harness provides power and control connections only. Audio signals are routed separately through RCA cables to the equalizer and amplifier. Instead of speaker output wires, I use RCA pre-outs. These carry low-level audio signals to the Clarion EQ746 equalizer. The equalizer processes the signal before sending it to the amplifier. This results in a cleaner sound, better tuning flexibility, and improved overall system performance. Now I connect the Pioneer harness adapter. The color codes match directly, yellow to yellow. Red to red. Black to black. Blue-white wire to the equalizer and amplifier remote turn-on wires. A simple, secure plug-and-play installation. This Pioneer unit includes an external microphone. Proper placement improves call clarity. I position it near the driver's side, close to natural speaking distance, and route the cable discreetly behind trim panel. Before reassembling the dashboard, I test the unit. The system powers on. Memory is retained. Audio output is clean. Everything functions as expected.
Kumaliza kusubiri kwa muda mrefu kwenye kuwatajira ligi kuu soka FKF.
With everything confirmed, I secure the unit and reinstall the trim panel. The upgrade is complete. A simple replacement, but a meaningful improvement in daily driving comfort. Clean installation, no factory wire damage, and better connectivity on the road.